In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete text on Visme. Whether you're refining a design or just clearing up some clutter, knowing how to efficiently remove text can keep your projects clean and focused. So, let's walk through this process together. First, let's focus on selecting the text box. To ensure that we're targeting the right element, you'll want to click on the border of the text box. This is crucial because clicking inside the text area itself won't give you the result you need. Instead, it'll place you in text edit mode, which is not what we're aiming for right now. You want to be in select mode, which involves selecting the entire text object. Visualize it like this. The border acts as a container for your text, and when you click on it, you're telling Visme, "This is what I'm working with right now." Once you have your text box selected, it's time to delete it. This part is straightforward. Press the delete key on your keyboard. If you're using a Mac, the backspace key will do the trick. Just a simple key, press, and voila, your text box is gone. This method is especially useful if you're comfortable using keyboard shortcuts and have a lot to navigate through. It's quick, efficient, and gets the job done without any fuss. Now, if you're someone who prefers clicking over using the keyboard, Visme has an alternative for you. With the text box still selected, take a look at the Visme editor toolbar. Keep an eye out for an icon that looks like a trash can or a delete symbol. Clicking this icon will achieve the same result. Your text box will be promptly removed from your canvas. This option can be particularly handy if you like having the visual confirmation of what you're doing right from the toolbar. And there you have it. Whether you choose to use the keyboard method or the toolbar icon, both are effective ways to remove unwanted text boxes from your Visme project. As you continue to refine your designs, remember that a tidy workspace can help you stay organized and focused on creating compelling visuals. Keep practicing these steps, and soon, managing text boxes in Visme will become second nature to you. Thank you for watching. And be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on mastering Visme and other digital creation tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content that can help streamline your creative process. Happy designing, and see you next time.